Hey there, YouTube fam! Are you looking to take your business to new heights? Want to reach your target audience precisely when they're actively searching for products or services like yours? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the world of digital marketing and help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we'll tackle a burning question. Is pay-per-click advertising worth it? Get ready for an exciting journey where we'll explore the power of PPC and help you decide if it's the right marketing strategy for your business. First, we will understand what is pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising is a popular digital marketing strategy that allows businesses to place ads on various online platforms and pay only when a user clicks on their ad. It is a cost-effective way to drive targeted traffic to a website, increase brand visibility, and generate potential leads. Benefits of pay-per-click advertising. Now we will see how PPC campaigns benefit your business. PPC advertising allows businesses to quickly gain visibility and have their ads displayed prominently on search engine results pages. When someone searches for a keyword related to their product or service, their ad has the potential to appear at the top, increasing the chances of getting noticed. One of the significant advantages of PPC advertising is the ability to target specific audiences. Advertisers can choose various parameters such as keywords, location, demographics, and even specific interests to ensure their ads reach the right people. This targeted approach maximizes the chances of converting clicks into valuable leads or customers. Unlike traditional advertising methods, PPC advertising provides detailed performance metrics that give advertisers valuable insights into the effectiveness of their campaigns. They can track the number of clicks, impressions, click-through rates, conversion rates, and even the cost per conversion. These metrics enable data-driven decision-making and the ability to optimize campaigns for better results. With PPC advertising, businesses can see immediate results. Once a campaign is set up and approved, ads can start appearing in search results within minutes. This instant visibility and potential traffic make PPC a powerful tool for businesses looking for quick exposure and immediate impact. Drawbacks of pay-per-click advertising. While PPC advertising offers great benefits, it can also be costly, especially for highly competitive keywords. Advertisers bid for ad placements, and the cost per click can vary significantly based on the keyword's demand. Businesses with limited budgets need to carefully plan their campaigns and optimize their strategies to ensure cost-effective results. PPC platforms, such as Google Ads, offer a wide range of features and tools that require expertise and experience to utilize effectively. Without proper knowledge and understanding, businesses may struggle to create and manage successful campaigns. Investing time in learning about keyword research, ad copywriting, bidding strategies, and campaign optimization is essential to overcome this hurdle. The online advertising landscape is crowded, and users are exposed to numerous ads every day. Displaying the same ad repeatedly to the same audience can lead to ad fatigue, where users become less responsive or develop ad blindness. This can result in diminishing returns for businesses. To combat ad fatigue, it's important to regularly refresh ad creatives, experiment with different messaging and visuals, and find innovative ways to engage the audience. Additionally, click fraud is an ongoing concern in the PPC world, where individuals or automated systems generate fraudulent clicks on ads, leading to wasted ad spend. Advertisers should monitor their campaigns closely and use click fraud prevention tools to mitigate this risk. PPC platforms, such as Google Ads, use complex algorithms to determine ad rankings and placements. While these algorithms aim to provide the best user experience, they can be unpredictable and subject to frequent updates. Changes in algorithms can impact ad performance, making it essential for businesses to stay updated, adapt their strategies, and optimize campaigns accordingly. Factors to consider before investing in pay-per-click advertising. Let's explore the key factors to consider before investing in PPC advertising. Business goals and objectives. Begin by defining your business goals and what you aim to achieve through PPC advertising. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales, aligning your PPC strategy with your overall business objectives is essential for success. Target audience. Understanding your target audience is critical in crafting effective PPC campaigns. Conduct thorough market research to identify your ideal customers, their demographics, interests, online behavior, and preferred channels. This knowledge will help you tailor your ads, keywords, and targeting settings to reach the right audience. Budget and financial considerations. Determine a realistic budget for your PPC campaigns. Consider your available resources and the competitiveness of your industry. Remember that PPC is an ongoing investment, and setting an appropriate budget will ensure you can sustain your campaigns for a reasonable period. Additionally, factor in the costs of ad creation, landing page optimization, and ongoing campaign management. Keyword research and competition. Thorough keyword research is crucial for a successful PPC campaign. Identify relevant keywords that align with your business and target audience. Analyze keyword search volume, competition, and cost per click, CPC. Be mindful of highly competitive keywords that may drive up costs, and consider long-tail keywords to target more specific and relevant searches. Competitor analysis. Analyzing your competitors' PPC strategies can provide valuable insights. Identify which keywords they are bidding on, their ad messaging, landing page strategies, and overall campaign approach. This knowledge will help you differentiate your campaigns and identify potential opportunities for improvement. Ad copy and creatives. Craft compelling ad copy and visuals that grab attention, highlight unique selling points, and entice users to click. Test different variations of ad copy, headlines, and visuals to identify what resonates best with your target audience. Remember, the ad copy should align with the landing page content to provide a seamless user experience. Landing page optimization. Optimize your landing pages to ensure they are aligned with your ad messaging and provide a positive user experience. Design landing pages that are visually appealing, easy to navigate, and have clear call-to-action buttons. Continuously test and refine your landing pages to improve conversion rates. Tracking and analytics. Implement tracking tools, such as conversion tracking and Google Analytics, to measure the effectiveness of your PPC campaigns. Track key metrics like click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, cost per conversion, and return on ad spend, ROAS. This data will help you evaluate the success of your campaigns and make data-driven optimizations. Ongoing optimization and management. PPC advertising requires ongoing monitoring and optimization. Regularly review campaign performance, identify underperforming keywords or ads, and make adjustments to improve results. Stay updated with industry trends, platform changes, and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. Common mistakes to avoid in pay-per-click advertising. Don't let your pay-per-click PPC advertising campaigns fall victim to common pitfalls that can hinder their success. To ensure you get the most out of your PPC investment, it's essential to be aware of the common mistakes that businesses often make. Let's explore these pitfalls and learn how to avoid them. Poor keyword selection. Choosing irrelevant or overly competitive keywords can lead to wasted ad spend. Conduct thorough keyword research and focus on keywords that align with your goals and have reasonable search volume and competition. Inadequate ad testing. Failing to test different ad variations can limit your campaign's potential. Experiment with different headlines, ad copy, and visuals to identify what resonates best with your audience and drives better results. Ignoring negative keywords. Neglecting to add negative keywords can result in irrelevant clicks and wasted budget. Continuously review search terms triggering your ads and add negative keywords to refine targeting and improve ad relevance. Lack of landing page optimization. Sending users to generic or poorly optimized landing pages can lead to high bounce rates and low conversions. Invest time in optimizing landing pages to align with ad messaging, provide relevant information, and encourage user actions. Failure to monitor and optimize. Set it and forget it is not a successful strategy for PPC advertising. Regularly monitor campaign performance, identify areas of improvement, and make data-driven optimizations to achieve better results. Is pay-per-click advertising worth it? After considering the benefits, drawbacks, factors to consider, and best practices of PPC advertising, the question arises, is pay-per-click advertising worth it? The answer depends on various factors, including your business goals, target audience, budget, and the level of competition in your industry. For businesses seeking immediate visibility, targeted reach, and measurable results, PPC advertising can be a valuable investment. It offers the opportunity to reach potential customers at the right moment and track the effectiveness of your campaigns. However, it requires careful planning, continuous optimization, and a deep understanding of your target audience to maximize its potential. By setting clear goals, conducting comprehensive keyword research, creating compelling ad copy, optimizing landing pages, and closely monitoring performance, businesses can increase their chances of success with PPC advertising. As you embark on your PPC journey, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and continuous improvement. Thank you for taking the time to explore the world of PPC advertising with us. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information and inspiration to embark on your own successful PPC journey. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with others who may find it helpful. And if you have any questions or would like to suggest future topics, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to supporting you in your digital marketing endeavors.